Good morning. May pips be upon you. I'm just going to do a quick update on the trades that I been putting out some vids on, the ones that I'm involved with. All right, let's look at USD Swiss. It moved quite a bit while I was sleeping. Uh, it got, let's see, it got up to 55 pips. That's pretty nice. You see that we're in a bit of a pullback. This is a great opportunity to get another win in, which I did. And I'm looking for a price to continue down. Okay. This one is moving pretty doggone well. It had a very slow start, but you know, you just got to be patient, right? Pound CAD. This one teased me yesterday. I put out a video when it was around here. I was like, listen, I'm waiting for it. Matter of fact, I think I might have been on the 4 hour. And I was saying that I was waiting for a price to break through the previous candle. Was that on the 1 hour or the 15 minute? I think it was on the 15 minute actually. Yeah, I think it was here. And I was waiting for a price to break these highs, and it never did. It never did. What I look for is a bullish candle, just like this one. All right. But because it was under this level, I never entered in. I want this level to be broken with a nice bullish momentum candle. So price came down here to the support here, and it looks better, more definitive on this time frame. You can see I moved this line down to here. All right. I think I'm not sure. It's in the same zone, so I'm not sure if it makes a difference anyway. But I actually think there's a chance price might come down to check this order block down here. All right. This ICT order block, whatever you want to call it. It looks like a demand zone down here. It looks like it wants to come down here and mitigate those orders. It may come up here with a nice bullish candle and find our way in here. I'm not looking at this anymore for Friday. On a Friday, if it breaks up here, that'd be great. It's got a lot of traffic ahead of it, so I'm not really hot on that one anymore. Euro USD. This one moved quite a bit while I was sleeping, and I'm so proud of it. Really, I'm so proud. 56 pips it went up to. All right, gave us a little pullback, and you know what pullbacks? You just want to use those opportunities to add another trade. You want to make sure that when you have an impulse, a correction, you want to see it come back to at least the 38 fib, at least the 38 fib. It may come back to the 50 or the 618, depending on where the structure is. It has to align with structure for me. All right. But it came back at least to the 38 fib. I got another one in, and I'm hoping that it continues on up. That's it. And did I have another one? Yes. Swiss, Japanese yen. I always call it CHFJPY. All right. Look how this baby moved. I'm already in, and I got to move stop losses on those other ones I just said. This one moved while I was sleeping, man. 79 pips. It was right around here, around 50 pips, I believe, but it moved another 20. You know what I mean? And gave us another retracement, and it's already starting to move up. This was a great entry, a great trade. As soon as it broke, see that momentum candle? This is the kind of stuff you want. You want to see it break these highs here. For me, and then it came back and retested that level. This was a great entry. For me. So I'm hoping to see it continue up, and I'm pretty confident that it will. Okay, and I think that's it. Just wanted to give you an update. Hope your trading is going well. Give me a like if you like what I'm doing and you want to continue to see these videos go out. All right. I'm just providing some free education and analysis, and I'm hoping that you can look out for the channel by giving me a like and a subscribe, a subscription or sub, whatever you want to call it. All right. I'll see you in the next video.